Imagine this. Under a minute, you drop your product shot, pick a style you love, and voila! 2 scroll-stopping ads ready to drive real sales. No more wrestling with Photoshop, hiring pricey designers. You get pro-level visuals for stories and feeds, while you spend your time growing your business. Drop a comment below, hit subscribe, and grab this free tool. Just click the link to my Instagram in the description. I'm going to occasionally pause while it uploads and the agent thinks, so we have no time to waste. So as you can see, reference style, your product, and yeah, I'll ask the formats as well. So you can pretty much have both formats, any headline, call to action, or whatever you want to insert. So what I suggest to do, go to ad library, find your ideal ad, and just replace it, restyle it for your product. So let's just upload the images. One sec. Okay, we have the prompt. I'm gonna just have a simple example, Pepsi and Sprite products. So I'm gonna give the prompt, and we should see the Sprite being replaced with Pepsi, and the color should change as well. So let's see how it works. We're just asking for some clarification, which is really good. It tells you what it's going to do. I answer the questions, and now it should just generate the image. There you go. It's now generating the image. I'm excited to see the results. Let's see. Okay, so the color has changed. By the way, I do recommend to put it into practice and utilize as many ad creatives as possible to find the perfect solution for your business. But I think it did a pretty decent job so far, but let's wait for the final result. There it is. I think it's pretty insane. So high quality image replaced this to this, and I think it's awesome. If you want to try this agent, drop me a DM or comment below, and I will send you the agent, and you can test it as much as possible. And yeah, give me a feedback. Let me know what you think. Do you still think you need a graphic designer, or you just need a well-prompt agent? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.